Kindle came early. I'm so excited. Hey guys, what's up? The Surfer Wannabe here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing, as the title suggests below, an unboxing my new Gen 10 Paperwhite Kindle. I said that all wrong. But anyway, we're doing the unboxing today. I have had a history of Kindle Paperwhite. My first one looked like this, and it is I forgot what generation it is, but it had a keypad, so it's like pretty old. I got it from a garage sale, and it was 20 bucks. So that was my first encounter with a Kindle. From then on, I loved it. You could fit so many books on there, and I just fell in love. One night, I was reading a psychological thriller, and I got halfway through, and I needed to know what the ending was, and my Kindle completely died. Like, full on, screen off. Nothing I could do could resuscitate it, and I didn't want to read from an LCD screen, and I was just dying to read the book. So straight away I went on Officeworks and I purchased the Kindle Gen 8, and it came in the mail a couple of days later, and I got to finish the book. The ending was absolutely worth buying a new Kindle, I'm going to tell you that right now. And this new Kindle was the Gen 8. So I didn't do my research because it was late at night, and I was probably tired and delusional, and I didn't see that it had a backlight. So when it came in the mail and it didn't have a backlight, I had to purchase a separate light, and that was really annoying to like lug around because it was a separate thing that you had to clip onto the cover all the time. So that was also annoying. It looked like this, by the way, my Gen 8 with the light and the case and everything like that. And I actually sold it this Friday, and I got myself a new Kindle, and I'm so excited. I got it off Amazon. It was like $234 including the case, and the postage was so quick. I was expecting this to come on Thursday, but it's Tuesday. I ordered it on Friday. I just can't believe all the stuff that is happening. So we're gonna unbox it right now. I'm just gonna rip into it. So fast, I can't believe it. Papers. Oh, here's the case. So pretty, so nice. And then, oh, here it is. Oh, wow. I feel like it's kind of like bigger than I expected, or maybe there's just something down the bottom. But this is the Kindle Paperwhite. Thinner, lighter, and now waterproof. So, rip into that. Freaking so excited! Oh! Okay, where do you start? Oh, I have the lift tab here. Gonna do that. Here it is! Yay! Okay, so it has a charger. I have lots of these chargers, so but I guess this can be the designated Kindle charger. Obviously, it comes with a book of instructions and how to use it, and probably, I don't know if it's got a warranty in there, who knows, but here it is! Oh, I feel like it's the exact same size as the Kindle Paperwhite Gen 8 that I had before. I really don't feel a difference at the moment, but I'm excited. Okay. Oh, so the screen's not like indented. There used to be a little indent around here, but now it's just one full screen, as you can see there. Wow, I do like that. Okay, I'm gonna put the case on it before I do anything else, just because I don't want to drop it and have it damaged when it's brand new. Okay, so I'm switching it on at the same time. So this is what the case looks like. I think it was $12. The cases they recommended were like $54. And my bank account was like, no.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, so I'm gonna pop this in and hope it fits. Like a glove. Oh, the backlight! The backlight is working, people. Let me bring you in close. Hi.
Okay.
So here we go. I'm just gonna like set it up right here on the spot. It's got English. I'm gonna go with English United Kingdom just because. And we're starting this baby up. Okay, Kindle Paperwhite, high resolution, 300 ppi display, built-in light, and weeks battery life. Weeks. Get started. Oh, I like the touch. Okay, so I'm going to just connect to my Wi-Fi right now. As I'm typing, the touchpad is like really good. There's like a small delay, but what do you expect for this kind of surface, I guess? Woohoo! We're connecting to Amazon, people! So it says that you can register your Kindle. Use an existing Amazon account. I'm gonna type in my login ID. It's registering. I just don't want to show you because my password's being exposed. It says, hello, Isabel. It recognizes who I am. Your Kindle's time is set to 16:57, 4:57. Yes, that's correct. Continue with setup. Get Kindle on your phone. Not right now. Kindle Unlimited. Start your free 30-day trial. No thanks. I will continue without Kindle Unlimited. Thank you. So this is all about navigating your Kindle now. And it's just going to show you all the fun things. Okay, and then it tells you about home and back. It tells you quick actions are in settings, recent books it shows you, reading list, recommendations down the bottom. Okay, great, updating your home. Hey there! Wow, that was so fast. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to my library and see like what they actually have in here. Because I thought that you had to sync all your books again. A collection you created on another device just sync to this device. Tap on the filter above and choose collections to see them. But everything here is coming up with all the book covers as well pretty quickly. I'm like actually so impressed. Isabel's second Kindle. So I'm gonna buy a book for the sake of this video and just because I purely want to. We're going to Bali on Saturday, and I thought that this would come on Friday, but it actually came today, so I'm gonna download a book for that trip. I just finished reading a book by Sally Hepworth called The Family Next Door, and I'm kind of like, I like her writing, so I'm gonna go right ahead and look for something else written by her. So it's just updating my Kindle store experience. So now I'm going to search for Sally Hepworth. The Mother-in-Law is a book that I have been wanting to read. I saw it on Twitter and I was like, oh my gosh. It's got 4.5 stars. I am going to buy this Mother-in-Law by, oops, sorry, I just turned it off. By Sally Hepworth. So let's just see like how easy it is to buy it on here. It says, thank you. What? Thank you for your purchase. Are you serious? That was it? Go to my library then. Download complete. You're joking. That's so quick. Oh, it's downloading now. even. Don't you dare! That was so quick! Usually you have to press settings and then sync it. Welcome! Okay, so about this book, yes, I'm signed up to Goodreads. I can mark it as currently reading on my Goodreads. Wow, that's very convenient. So it has information about the book straight up, like typical time that it's read is about 5 hours and 5 minutes. I have a child, I read after they go to bed a couple of chapters every night, so it's gonna take me a little bit longer than that. 33 passages have been highlighted. Wow. So it actually gives you information on the book. And then more by the author. Wonderful. Okay, well, have a look at that. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so I'm gonna click up the top here. And I'm just gonna go through some stuff. Like I wanted to see, okay, so here's the brightness. I can go all the way up to there, or like during the daytime, if you wanna just like chill, it can be down here. Wow, I love that. It obviously has like the airplane mode and the sync my Kindle as well, and all the settings up the top. I'm assuming that it would be the same as the Gen 8 pretty much, with all the fonts and things. You've turned your first page. To continue reading, tap on the right side of the screen and to turn to the next page. Tap on the left side of the screen to go back a page, thank you. Tap the top of the screen to display the toolbar. Okay, so when you first open this, obviously it comes up with like the how to use it while you're opening it. But yes, I'm just gonna bookmark right here. Bookmark it, yeah girl. Okay, so I'm gonna bookmark there and leave it at that. I'm very, very happy with this and so excited for it. Obviously it comes with like your regular old Android type charger. I don't know if you can see that there. And then there's an on button here, just like my last Kindle. Yeah, there it is, the unboxing for the Kindle. I'm actually so excited. And I can't wait to get reading. It's gonna be so much more easier with the backlight. And since we're going somewhere that has a beach, you know, waterproof, all that stuff. Love it. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Go and look at my other Kindle video. It like kind of goes into more depth. This was more in depth about the setup. And